Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video I would be explaining you how to make money just by designing images, like by making black and white photo into a color photo, or by removing the background of the photo and making that image into PNG. So let's get directly into the website. There are three different websites where we are going to work, and there are three different platforms where we are going to market and earn money. So let's jump into the website where we are going to edit our images. The first website which I'm going to talk about is colorize.sg. See, here you can clearly look that a black and white photo is generated into a color photo just with a click. I'll show you exactly how it would be done. There is no need of any registration. Just go for colorize.sg and come a bit down, click on I'm not a robot, and here you would be finding select photo option. Click on that, and I'm going to select this photo over here. And there are lot many photos we would be getting from FreePic, but while you're marketing in the other platforms to make money, you would be getting exactly this kind of photos, like completely a black and white photo. You'll be getting completely a black and white photo, so you need to make those images into color, and I'll show you exactly how it would be done with just a single click. So I'm just going to upload this image into this colorize.sg website. So it's getting uploaded, and I'll show you exactly how it would be done automatically. It's an AI tool, so just give a look at it. See, I'll just scroll this a bit here and there. See, this is completely a black and white photo which I've uploaded. Okay, and this is a color photo which automatically got generated in colorize.sg. So I'll just go with another example. So this is the way, like coloring a black and white photo into an colored photo with a just single click. So you can follow this website, and by doing this you can earn money easily, and I'll show you exactly where we have to post this kind of strategies, and so that you can make money easily. So I'll go with this photo now. I'll just go with this photo and show you exactly how to color it. So I'm just clicking and uploading it, and it automatically get generated into a color photo. See, this is the color photo. You can see the backlights, it's in yellow color, and this is a black and white photo, and now this is a color photo. This is what the difference comes when you go with this website. So the other strategy which we are going to follow is removing the background of an image. See, we have an option. We have a website called remove.bg. People are looking like they won't be having any Photoshop skills or anything like designing the photo. So we also don't require Photoshop skills or designing skills to do this. Just we need to follow some kind of tricks, then you can easily earn money. So there are a lot many people who are looking for changing the color, like from black and white old photos to a colored photo, and removing background. So I'm showing you two different strategies now. At present, you can just go and try by yourself by visiting these websites. And for removal of your background, you need to visit remove.bg. This is a website where you can remove the background of a photo. So just click on upload photo. I'm going to upload the same lamp photo, and I'll show you exactly how it would be done. See, you can see only the lamp has been removed from the image and put it over a side. So you can easily download it over here. You can download the full image or the preview image, anything, and you can directly give for the people who have asked for the background removal in the strategies I will be showing you now. And the other strategy other website is picmaker.com. Here you can create thumbnails. Okay, You can visit this website and you can have some hands-on experience. So these three websites, colorize.sg for coloring a photo from black and white to a color photo, and remove.bg, removing the background of the image, and the PicMaker. Here you can find n number of things like designing the thumbnails for your YouTube channel, or removing the background, anything, everything. You would be finding everything. You can just have you can just play with this website. Once you will come to know each and everything, what can it be done. And I'll show you exactly how to market, or else how to get money by asking for people who are in need of black and white photos to a color photo, or removing background. So before that strategy, let's you need to do one thing, like you need to get subscribed to my channel and hit a bell icon over there, and also invite your friends who are really interested to earn money through online. Let's jump into the strategies now. So the first strategy we would be working is on fiverr.com. You know, fiverr.com, you need to get registered as a seller. So I'm into a buyer mode, and I'll show you exactly how people are posting their jobs over there. See, I will colorize, restore, retouch, repair your old photo. This is an old photo and I have changed into the color photo with the same strategy which what I've shown you here. The person have made 561 reviews, and this can be done for $5. And you know how much did he earn till date after he have posted that job into fiverr.com? He have earned around $2,805. It's quite interesting. A lot many people who are doing this in the same manner. See, this person is doing the same, and come over, see, this person is doing the same and is charging $30, and this person doing the same and is charging $5. See, this person is doing the same change, and is charging $15 from people. So this is one way to color the black and white photo. And in the same website, fiverr.com, you can search for jobs, removal of background, See, exact $5 for removing just a picture background, and this person have got 665 reviews. Let us calculate how much he made till date. 665 reviews into $5. He made nearly 3,325. It's quite huge. Just removing the background, as I shown you here. Just you have done the same, just followed the same strategy, and here he's making $5 per image. So this is the website you need to work, fiverr.com, and you need to log in as a seller. I'll show you exactly how the seller would be looking. But before that, you need to at the time of posting gigs, see, here is the gig option. At the time of posting gig, you need to go with some description and the summary what they are providing. Just go and read the person who are providing the same description and summary. I'll show you here, and you need to create your own. See, let's go and read this person description and summary. At the time of posting gigs, there might be this kind of description would be asked over there. So you need to make your own description and enter it over here. I just click this and read what the information they have provided. So I will 1 to 100 image resize or background removal, and okay, this is for 100 images, not for single image. This is done for 100 images, and he took $5 for each image, and it would be taking nearly around 10 to 15 minutes to do like to remove 100 images backgrounds. So this is how the description would be followed. So you need to create your own and post it in Fiverr. Okay, there are two different types of logins, keep in mind: a seller login and the what we say, a buyer login. So I'm into buyer now. So when I go to seller, we can post jobs over here. Go to gigs, click on a create a new gig. So getting registered is quite simple, as you get registered to Facebook, Instagram, the same way Fiverr would be asking. And now here you need to enter the title over here. So this is what the title would be, but don't copy and paste the same thing. You need to generate your own title and description. You need to generate your own title and description. Category, you need to select designing, graphics and designing. Logo, not logo designing. You need to select background removal, or which strategy it would be marked. You need to select the same strategy, like tattoo design. You need to check infographic, vector image. So lot many options over here. We need to click on graphics and streams, game design, brand style, logo design. Click on graphics and streams. See, just give a look over here what they have selected. See, Photoshop editing. You need to select Photoshop editing. Photoshop editing. See, you have to select this, enter the information, and you need to click on create, save and continue, and there would be other options: pricing, description, requirements, gallery, and publish. That's it. Your gig would be published, and alternately you would be receiving orders. So this is the platform where we would be working on two different types of gigs. One is changing a black and white color photo to black and white photo to a colored photo, and removing the background. You need to create two different types of gigs in Fiverr. Alternately, you would be generating money. And the second platform where we would be working is on pay per hour. Pay per hour, just sign up as an freelancer. You just what you have done in Fiverr, you need to do the same over in people per hour.com. You need to do the same over here. See, a lot many people that they are charging $10, $15, $100. Sorry, $10, and you see they are charging $50, $45 for just coloring the website, coloring the photo, and the removal of the background also would be they would be charging pretty good amount. And this is where you need to work. First, Fiverr.com, just create an account, post your gigs, come to people per hour, just create your account as a freelancer and post your gigs over here also, and mention $5. We need not to mention a higher rate for your job. Why? Because people would be looking for low price at present. Why? Because you need to get reviews and all the thing. So for that purpose, you need to post it for a very low price, that is $5. Start with $5. And the other platform where we would be working is on SEO Clerk. So here also you need to sign in as a seller and do the same thing what you have done over here. Same, follow the same title and description in all three websites: Fiverr.com, people per hour, and SEO Clerk. So what I would like to say is, like, wait for some time. Why? Because in today's world, like, the algorithm is quite difficult. Like, to rank in a would be taking lot much of time, maybe for 2 or 3 months. So you keep on editing your posts, keep on making the gigs come over in, and you keep on editing the gigs on daily basis. And in Fiverr, around 7 gigs you can post, around 7 gigs, and same with the people per hour and SEO Clerk. And keep in mind, don't get hesitated, like we are not getting any sales. So don't be in that. You're not orders, you're not to worry about that. Please wait for the orders. So once the order started, you would surely get money on daily basis. Like, daily $5 is quite easy for you. $5 to $10 you can easily make money. So please follow all these 3 strategies: Fiverr, people per hour, and SEO Clerk. And I bet you, like, you would be doing in and around $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Okay, and please do subscribe my channel and also suggest your friends to like my videos and get subscribed. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.